learned in Amity International School, Pushpehar.
Hello everyone, I am Navya Nair. I am 16 years old and I am currently a student of class 11 in Amity International School, Pushpehar.
My name is Achal Dulani and I am currently studying in grade 10th in Amity International School, Pushpehar in New Delhi.
Amity International School, Pushpehar was inaugurated in the year 2004 under the guidance of our Honorable Chairperson, Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan Ma'am, and respected founder, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan Sir. The school symbolizes a perfect blend of modernity with tradition. The school is constantly progressing on the path of excellence and success, imparting strong value-based education and an all-round enriching curriculum for students from nursery till grade 12th.
The school is nested in Delhi, the capital city of India. It has state-of-art facilities to cater several activities ranging from sports to performing arts to artificial intelligence projects. Model United Nations, a school newspaper, the Global Times, an Interact Club for social welfare, inter-school music, drama and quiz competitions. The list of opportunities the school provides is truly endless.
Our school has 2 foreign languages for the students to opt as a subject, that is French and German. This helps young minds to be able to explore, experience and connect to a completely different culture.
Moreover, student exchange programs, international and multicultural science fairs, model UNs, debates, and several other activities help us to become better global citizens. Participation in these extensively widens our horizon with new ideas and perspectives. We are extremely grateful towards our school for giving us constant support throughout this project.
Green Project has been a really enriching experience for me. It gave me an opportunity to work and collaborate with various people on a global level and share our perspectives about the environment. Furthermore, working on a green urban city helped me gain a lot of practical knowledge. I'm thankful for this experience.
Since the Green project didn't have any restriction on what we could work on, this in turn had a twofold benefit for me. One, I had to prioritize and recognize which aspects are actually important towards building a modern sustainable city or a green city, and this helped me gain more knowledge. Also, since we had to put everything into one presentation, I had to smartly concise my research and organize it as well. I am sure these skills will help me in the future, and the project grew and actually widened my perspective towards modern sustainable development as we were competing with children from various parts of our own country and from all around the world.
Part of the Green Project was an enriching experience. It gave me a platform to interact with people all over the world and enhance my knowledge. Not only that, it also gave me an opportunity to work in team and discuss ideas and create a green city of our own. I would like to thank the Green team and our school teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Since it grew and was very thrilling and exciting. I was very interested to know new facts about the environment. It was great working in a team and exchanging ideas with my teammates.